Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we'll walk you step by step on how to factory reset your Sansui Smart TV. Place your hands on the remote of the Sansui Smart TV and press the home button. Once the Sansui Smart TV menu appears, move your hand to the settings icon. Select settings on the Sansui Smart TV using the arrow keys. Scroll down on the Sansui Smart TV until you reach Device Preferences. Choose Device Preferences on your Sansui Smart TV with a single click. On your Sansui Smart TV, locate the Reset option in the menu. Highlight Reset on the Sansui Smart TV screen using the down arrow. Press OK to open the Reset menu on your Sansui Smart TV. Select Factory Data Reset on the Sansui Smart TV. The Sansui Smart TV will show a confirmation prompt. Highlight Erase Everything. Press OK to begin resetting your Sansui Smart TV. Wait as your Sansui Smart TV starts clearing all data. Keep your hands away from the Sansui Smart TV power button while it resets. You'll see the Sansui Smart TV restart automatically once the reset begins. Allow the Sansui Smart TV to finish booting without interruption. When the Sansui Smart TV logo appears, the reset process is still ongoing. Keep the Sansui Smart TV plugged in during the entire reset. If your Sansui Smart TV seems stuck, wait a few more minutes. After rebooting, the Sansui Smart TV will show the initial setup screen. Pick up your remote and continue setting up the Sansui Smart TV. Choose your language on the Sansui Smart TV setup screen. Connect your Sansui Smart TV to Wi-Fi when prompted. Sign in with your Google account to activate your Sansui Smart TV apps. Adjust display preferences on the Sansui Smart TV if needed. If your Sansui Smart TV was lagging, you should now notice smoother performance. To confirm the reset worked, open Settings on your Sansui Smart TV again. Navigate to About on your Sansui Smart TV. Check the storage section to confirm your Sansui Smart TV data is cleared. Test an app on your Sansui Smart TV to verify everything loads correctly. If your Sansui Smart TV remote didn't respond earlier, try pairing it now. Press and hold both remote buttons to resync with the Sansui Smart TV. Point the remote directly at the Sansui Smart TV sensor. If your Sansui Smart TV still has issues, perform a soft reboot. Unplug the Sansui Smart TV from the wall outlet. Keep the Sansui Smart TV unplugged for 20 seconds. Plug the Sansui Smart TV back in and power it on. Watch for the Sansui Smart TV light indicator to confirm power flow. If the Sansui Smart TV boots normally, the problem is resolved. For network issues, reset the Wi-Fi settings on the Sansui Smart TV. Open network settings on your Sansui Smart TV. Forget your current network and reconnect on the Sansui Smart TV. For display issues, adjust picture mode on the Sansui Smart TV. Open picture settings on the Sansui Smart TV. Select standard mode for the safest settings on your Sansui Smart TV. If apps crash, reinstall them through the Sansui Smart TV App Store. Update the software on your Sansui Smart TV for better performance. Open System Update from the settings of your Sansui Smart TV. Restart your Sansui Smart TV once the update finishes. Your Sansui Smart TV is now fully reset and ready to use smoothly again.